Welcome to WP Services, where we empower you with essential knowledge to keep your WordPress website in top shape. In this concise video, we'll demystify the world of SEO and equip you with the essentials to enhance your website's visibility. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Understand the power of SEO optimization. Did you know websites with optimized SEO receive 90% more organic traffic? Let's unlock the secrets together. Step 2. Master keyword research. Identify relevant keywords related to your content. Choosing the right keywords can increase your chances of ranking on Google's first page by 53%. Step 3. Optimize on page elements. Craft compelling meta titles and descriptions using your target keyword. Boost your click-through rate by up to 30%. Step 4. Create high-quality content. Valuable content attracts backlinks, increasing your chances of being on the first page of search results. Step 5. Build quality backlinks. Did you know sites with backlinks have 97% more traffic? Foster relationships and get those links rolling. Step 6. Speed up your site. A 1-second delay in loading time can lead to a 7% decrease in conversions. Speed is key. Step 7. Go mobile-friendly. Google loves mobile-friendly sites. Boost user experience and ranking by optimizing for mobile devices. Some pro tips. Utilize SEO plugins for easier optimization. Keep your content fresh and up to date. Utilize Google Analytics for insightful data. By following these steps, you're well on your way to improving your website's visibility and engagement. Ready for more? Explore resources below for deeper insights into WordPress SEO. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks about WordPress.